Hi students, welcome back. So in this video I want to explain you a simple programs using the 8051 microcontroller instructions. So I already explained 8051 microcontroller instructions. So what are the different instructions that are present, and each instruction is of 8-bit size. So let me explain you a simple programs by using these instructions. So 8051 microcontroller means we will use the assembly language. The programming language that we used for 8051 to programming 8051 is the assembly language. So this assembly language is fully hardware related programming language. Assembly language is a fully hardware related programming language. Remember, so whatever the file you are taken, so that file has to be stored as, suppose let's take source file .asm. The extension is assembly language, ASM. Save the file as .asm, source file .asm. So after that, after saving the program, you need to assemble it. It is by the help of assembler. And next, linker. And finally, you will get the executable file. So this is a process how the program is going to be executed. So you are writing the source file in the form of assembly language, that is in the mnemonics, with the help of the mnemonics. And the assembler is going to convert this assembly language into OBJ file. Okay. So the assembler is nothing but the conversion of .asm file into .obj file, source file .obj. So obj means is in the form of machine language 001100001. So like this. So it converts the source file into machine level language, that is a .obj file. So after that, the linker is going to be execute, that is converted into .exe file, that is an executable file. And finally you will get the output in the form of executable file. So first save the program in .asm. Whenever you need to run the program, first you have to compile. When compiling, it converts into .obj file. After that, it links the program, means the executable file, .exe file. So let me explain the simple programs by using the instructions that are present in the 8051 microcontroller. The first one, what type of assembly code you will use to store 8-bit immediate data. Let's take 65H into accumulator. So I want to store the 8-bit, that is a 65H into accumulator. So what is the mnemonic code you have to write? Move A is the accumulator, A comma hash 65H. Hash 65 means immediate data, whether it is an address or data. Hash, that is a immediate. So to represent the immediate data, you have to represent it as a hash. So what it is doing? It stores 65H into accumulator. A means accumulator. So 65 data is stored in A. So for this statement, you have to write the code as move A comma 65H. So let's take, if you want to load 42H and 55H, let us take in registers R0 and R1 respectively. So how you load the values of 42 and 55 in R0 and R1 registers? So for that, you need to write the syntax move R0 comma immediate data, that is the 42H, move R1 comma hash 55H. So from right side to left side. So the data that is present on right side is moving to the left side. So here it represents it going to load 42H in R0 register and load 55H in R1 register. So here I am just explaining how we are going to use the instructions, the registers in the for writing the programs. And the next program, let me take. Now I want to place the content of external memory location into accumulator. So whatever the external memory location is there, that location has to be placed in accumulator. So far we are just move the data, not the address. So now I want to place the external memory location into one of the register. Place the content of external memory. So in the external memory, some data was there that has to be moved to accumulator. External memory location, let's take 9000H into accumulator. Accumulator means A register. So for this you need to write. So first move whatever the external memory location is there, that has to be moved into the data pointer dptr, comma, hash 9000H. After that you need to write move x a, comma, at the rate of dptr. So what it means? Here it just load 9000H in data pointer. So dptr is a data pointer. Load 9000H in data pointer register, that is immediate. So that now the data pointer contains the 9000 memory location. 9000 memory location is stored in the data pointer. Load 9000H in data pointer immediately. So what this syntax means? So here copying the at the rate of dptr means in this location some data will be there. It means that 9000 location some data is there. That data has to be moved to the accumulator. Copy the content means data. The content of external memory location 9000H into accumulator. So whatever the data that is present on this 9000 location, that data has to be moved to accumulator. So here just address is copying. At the rate of dptr means the data that is present in that 9000 location, that data has to be moved to a register. Okay. So in the next video, I'll explain some more basic programs. Thank you.